Welcome back to the Chapter 10 practice test for AP Calculus BC. Problem 6 is going to be use a Taylor polynomial of order 2 centered at 0 to approximate cosine of 0.2. Now, there's a couple things that we need to look at here, and the first thing to look at is, well, what function is going to be our f of x? Well, based on the fact that we're trying to approximate the cosine of 0.2, I think a good idea would to make f of x equal to cosine of x. Now, with that out of the way, we're doing a Taylor polynomial of order 2 centered at x equals 0. So ordinarily, for any Taylor polynomial, we would just say what is f prime of x and what is f double prime of x. But there's something here which is suspicious, and that is we are centered at x equals 0. And the cosine polynomial centered at x equals 0, the Maclaurin polynomial, is something which you're supposed to memorize because it makes this process so much easier. So let's memorize. What is the Taylor polynomial of order 2 centered at x equals 0? And that's just 1 minus 1/2 x squared. Again, that is something you are supposed to memorize. The Maclaurin polynomial for cosine needs to be memorized. The Maclaurin polynomial for sine needs to be memorized. The Maclaurin polynomial for e to the x needs to be memorized. And your geometric sum needs to be memorized. So with our polynomial here, we're ready to estimate f of 0.2. So f of 0.2, which is cosine of 0.2, can be approximated by 1 minus 1/2 of 0.2 squared. Now we do some arithmetic. 0.2 squared is 0.04. Half of 0.04 is 0.02. And then 1 minus 0.02 is 0.98. So there's our solution. And you're ready to go. That's the end of this problem. We'll see you at the next video.